What do you call this dance? Dance? You call it what? This is the no. Can you say hi, Erica? Say hi, Erica. No? Because I'm sure Erica's going to watch.
No. No hi.
No hi, Erica. Okay.
No. What? Aga.
You don't want Erica to watch this? Are you embarrassed?
No.
No? Well, you shouldn't be. Good. Because this is awesome.
You know what is cool? I might save this for later, but you know, considering that you're recording right now, but by her, you know, letting her dress up like Elmo, purple hair and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
We're teaching her something that she shouldn't be ashamed of who she is.
That's right. Never be ashamed of who you are, Elmo.